Hey there folks, this is Saul coming to you from AutoTek once again, and we just want to talk real quick about diagnostics. Now, we surveyed our guests, we talked to you and we asked, what's the most important thing to you? And you said, finding out that you have cancer is more important than actually knowing you're dying. And we take that mantra to heart. So when you come into AutoTek within 3 business operating hours, we will be providing you with a diagnostic on your motor vehicle. No, it takes 2 weeks to find out what's wrong. It's going to wait in the parking lot while the mechanic thinks about it, and sometime next week we'll come and talk to you. No, you calling us to find out, hey, my car's been there 3 days, what's going on with it? We know you're stressed. We want to alleviate that stress, and within 3 business operating hours of you bringing your vehicle to AutoTek, we will be providing you with that diagnostic and getting you on the road. If you've got concerns, you've been told it's going to sit in somebody's parking lot for a couple of weeks, you don't want to wait, or you're just anxious because you want to get back on the road, come and see us. 303-290-9900, 7 days a week, waiting to take care of your cars. You could be getting your car fixed right now. It could be getting diagnosed as we speak. Come and see us.